this is how you make a long horizontal beam. You follow the same procedure you follow with all the beams, where you use a ballpoint pen, a ruler, and you just score by putting your pen on the dotted line and then just going up and back, on the line, up and back. Don't forget to have a piece of paper underneath your template so that you can really make a strong score line. Okay, and what the score line does is it lets you make really nice straight edges when you make your folds. That's important for this part of the project. Okay, so that's done. We've scored it. Now the horizontal beams connect to the vertical beams. So we have to make cuts on both sides. You're going to make cuts here, and you're also going to make cuts here. And then of course you're cut in half, which I'll do first this time. Sometimes I make the shortcuts first, sometimes I don't, but this will make it go quicker. You always make your cuts before you make your folds. Okay? If you forget to make your shortcuts like this before you fold, it's okay. You just have to cut on the corners. Alright, but you have to cut both sides. That's really important. So now I've made all my cuts, and now I'm just going to fold on the crease. Okay, so I'm going to fold on the crease and just make a nice crisp fold. Then just fold on the crease. I find that if you start in the middle and kind of feather out, it works really easily. And then there you go, you have it there. You have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. Okay, and you just put it together. Get your Scotch tape or your transparent tape and tape it off. And then you're done. And you just switch sides and tape it off. Now, when you're getting ready to put these beams on your structure, fold out two of the little leaves that you create with your cuts on opposite sides. Okay, so see I folded out this one, then you go to this side, you fold out the same exact one. That way, when you're ready to attach it to your verticals or other horizontals, it just slides over just like this. See how that slides over that? And then you just tape it off. Okay? So that's what it'll look like when it's connected. Okay. Again, if you want to fold with the writing out, all you do is just fold on the lines that you scored with your ballpoint pen out, and this way when you make your beam, it's labeled for you so you know which beam is which. If you're building something and you want to make sure that you're using a long horizontal beam or a short horizontal beam or a vertical beam. Okay?